Hi there, it's Boots Owen here. This is an 8kg Hotpoint HE8L493 washing machine. My plan is to get it ready for throwing a brick inside, so I'm going to direct wire the motor, but I have a feeling on this one it's got a 3-phase motor. In that case, I'm going to swap out the motor for a normal universal motor and wire it up for maximum speed and maximum destruction. First thing, I'm going to get the machine over on its side so that I can get in underneath. So with the machine over on its side, we have really good access here. It's a big wide open space and we can see the motor. And in this case, yes, it's a 3-phase motor. We've got 3 cables coming from the motor and a taco on the end with 2 cables. In that case, it's going to have to be swapped out for another motor, so I hope I have one that'll fit. First thing I'm going to do is get the motor disconnected, and I think it's just got 2 10mm screws up on the end, so I'll get them unscrewed and get cracking. So to get access to those screws, I've taken off the rear cover on the back of the machine. I'll slip off the belt, just like that, and take out these screws. And so with the belt off and the screws out, the motor just pops off by whacking it with a crowbar. So I've raided the cellar and found that I had this ACC motor. It's a normal universal motor and there's the codes on it. I don't know what it came out of, and I've certainly been tinkering with it because it's got this big insulated connector block on it. I believe it works, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it wired up. So looking at the left hand side here, we've got 2 red cables which go to the taco on the end. We've got a black cable and a white cable that go to the brushes, and then the remaining 3 cables will go to the armature windings. I have already put a jumper cable on here, as you can see, so all I need to do is put a live and a neutral through from the black cable to one of the other 2 armature windings, and it should spin. So I've wired up this universal motor. I've got the live coming into one of the coils here. It's the brown cable coming into the yellow, I believe. Then a loop going from the next cable, which is brown. The black loop goes over to the white cable, which is a brush. And then the other brush, which is black, goes out through the neutral. And that's the loop that the electricity makes to power up this universal motor. So let's turn it on. There we go. And off again. So as the motor spins down, you can hear that chunk grinding noise, which suggests that the spider's broken or the drum is somehow distorted inside the plastic tub. Nevertheless, I'm gonna still throw a brick in this machine. Thanks for watching, see you later.